It's Wednesday, November 7th. My name's Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axiory's broadcast. Starting with the technical outlook for the euro-dollar, price has just tested resistance R1, and a break above this level will open way towards next target at R2, where further rise may be limited and correction to follow. But if price rebounds earlier, it will retest former resistance at S1, and then target will be at daily pivot. Overview of Axiory's chosen indicators show a bullish trend. Next, we have the dollar-yen outlook. It has reached support at S1, and now it seems it could be rebounding and approaching daily pivot. If price rebounds from this level, a downward move will still be in favor and will focus again on support at S2. But sustained rise above daily pivot and resistance R1 will confirm an upward movement. Vast majority of our indicators expect a bearish trend. Following that, our outlook concerns the sterling dollar. It will soon be testing resistance at R1, and break above this level will confirm target at R2, where a new high could be formed. But if forms a high of resistance, subsequent correction will retest former resistances at S1 and S2 before reaching daily pivot. According to the summary of our chosen indicators, we expect a bullish trend. Finishing up our outlook is the dollar franc. It is now testing support at S1, and if it rebounds, will be at R1 former support. Sustained rise will focus on daily pivot, but if price breaks below current support, it will open way towards next objective at S2 support, where the bottom could be formed. Also, declines towards S3 support is also possible. Indicators show a bearish trend for the dollar franc today. Today we start with figures about foreign currency reserves, which will be released at 8 a.m. GMT. Previous surveys showed reserves at 429.5 billion francs. Analysts also expect a high impact on the Swiss franc. Next at 8:15 a.m. GMT, Federal Statistical Office will publish data about Switzerland's CPI. It is expected inflation will remain at 0.3% and a high impact on the franc. Eurostat will release numbers about retail sales in the Eurozone at 10 a.m. GMT. In a previous report, retail sales showed rise 0.1%, but today it is expected stagnation at 0%. Also, medium impact on the euro can be awaited. Last news for today will be published at 11 a.m. GMT, when Distasis will release data about German industrial production. It is expected slight improvement from minus 0.5 to minus 0.4% and will have a medium impact on the euro. Teo strategy for Kiwi dollar is holding at first position despite it has declined by 81.6 pips. Second Teo has fell by 117.9 pips. Third place occupied by TNT strategy hasn't changed, but PM Invest Capital at fourth position declined by 27.9 pips. Fifth place now belongs to Slingshot FX, rising 339.4 pips. In multi-trader, Fibonacci and Fractals has increased by 0.08%. The rest of the strategies remain unchanged and holding their positions. And today, Barack Obama wins the presidential election and remains in office for 4 more years. Thanks for tuning in to Axiory's broadcast. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Have a great day trading. Bye for now.